How to turn off NSFW Blur on Reddit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off NSFW Blur on Reddit. Well, basically the solution itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now for this, in order to be able to turn off the NSFW blurred or able to view the NSFW content on Reddit, you'll have to enable a simple settings. You want to simply open up Reddit. Once you open it up, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so, you want to tap on the settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Under settings, what you want to do is, if you scroll down here under view options, you'll see show NSFW content I'm over 18. If you toggle this off, then you won't be able to see it and the NSFW content will be blurred. If you toggle this on, you'll be able to view it, and down below you can see blur NSFW images. You want to disable it, so this way you can turn off NSFW blur on Reddit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.